Now remember my trip to Maryland and my heavy luggage or my extra luggage? Well, these are some of the ingredients that were in that luggage thanks to my mom. Shout out to you, Mom. I love you so much. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be unboxing this Amazon package. Are you ready to see what's inside? Let's get right into it. Ta-da! It's palm oil. If you're Nigerian, you should know this. Yes, this is palm oil. I ordered palm oil from Amazon. And this is a lunch bag. So school is resuming soon and it's gonna be like, you know, face-to-face classes, and I need to like pack my lunch. So I got a lunch bag. Let's check it out together. Ooh, nice. Nice. Oh, can you see? Can you see? Can you see my lunch box? Ooh. I like the way it looks inside. It looks like you can take my... Oh, sorry, this is a lunch bag rather. So I'm gonna put like my food, my water bottle, fruits, and all those good stuff. So yeah, I think I like it. Let me see if my water bottle can go in. So I have two. I'm gonna try this one. Oh, it can go in this way. I think I can put it here. I think it should just stay right here. So, yeah. This can also go in this way. Oh no. This will be the best way to do it. Yeah, so I'm either gonna use this bottle or this other one. Yeah, I think I like my lunch box or my lunch bag or whatever it is called. So I'm gonna pack my food to school, right? Now I'm really excited about this palm oil. I've used this brand before, the Omni brand. I think I got it at the African store, but the African store is a bit far from where I live, so that's why I ordered this from Amazon. Guess what I'm gonna be making tonight? I don't have my wristwatch with me, but I think it's about 7 p.m. right now. It's a Friday and I'm gonna be making Egusi soup. Now, cook with me. Are you ready? Let's do this. So basically, I just want to show you the ingredients I'm going to be using to make this egusi soup. Now, some of these ingredients are not yet washed or, you know, sliced, but I'm going to just run through them and show you the ingredients. So first up on my list is the egusi. I'm not going to be using all of this, but I'm just going to take part of it to use, right? Now remember my Maryland vlog where I talked about having extra luggage? Well, here are some of the ingredients that were in that luggage, right? also I'm going to be using this dried crayfish or dried shrimps, whatever it is called. I'm going to be using this as well. Can you see? I'm going to be using dried fish as well. I'm going to wash this with hot water. I'm boiling the water already. This is blended crayfish. Blended crayfish. I'm going to be using this as well. This is chicken, fried chicken. I'm not using all of this, but I'm going to use some of it for the egusi. This is chicken stock. Chicken stock. I'm going to be using part of this as well. Onions as well. Now I'm going to be using dried ugwu. These are dried ugwu leaves, all the way from Nigeria. And I'm going to be using dried pomo as well, right? I already soaked the one I'm going to use. I'm just trying to show you what it looks like. So this is dried pomo. This egusi is not ordinary egusi. Let's get started. Ooh, ooh. Okay, so the ingredients are ready. As you can see, I have washed the fish. I used hot water and salt to wash this fish multiple times. I used cold water and salt to wash the dried ugwu leaves. This is the quantity of the egusi that I will be using. My onions are chopped already. I washed this with hot water and salt. The pomo, which is also known as cow skin, I boiled them in hot water for a while, and I added salt, so it's soft right now. And yes, so we're ready to cook the egusi. Let's do this. So to get started, I am going to make this egusi into a paste. I'm going to add the crayfish and some dried pepper into it, and then some water, and mix it carefully. So just watch me. I'm going to be adding some pepper. Here is the dry pepper here. I'm going to put a couple of spoons. Well, just 2 spoons, not a couple. I'm going to add 2 spoons of pepper, so that's okay for me. Okay, and then I'm going to add some water and then make it into a paste. So here's what the egusi looks like, with the crayfish, the dry pepper, and some water. I didn't put a lot of water because I'm still going to add the chicken stock while I'm cooking. So now we're just going to start. Okay, so I'm starting now. The first thing I want to do is turn on this and put it on medium, right? And I'm going to shake this palm oil. It's still new, so I'm going to put two spoons of the palm oil. Just 2 spoons. So I'm going to wait for this to heat up for a while before I put in my onions, chopped onions. Okay, so let's just say this will heat up for like 10 seconds, and then I'm going to be putting my chopped onions. So now the next thing that is going in is the onions. I'm going to stir this for a while and make sure it fries before I add this mixture. So this is the next thing that is going in, the egusi mix. Remember that I added water, the blended crayfish and the dried pepper to this, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to add this into this right now, but I just want the onion to fry for a while. I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. As you can see, I'm just going to fry it for a bit and then add the egusi mix to this. The next thing that's going in is this. So I'm just going to add a little bit of water to this and then pour it in there. I'm gonna keep stirring so that it doesn't get burnt. So right now, what do we have in here? We have the palm oil, the onions, the egusi paste, which contains dry pepper and the blended crayfish. Okay, so I'm just making sure the egusi fries properly because this is actually like the most important aspect of making egusi. Like it has to fry properly. So I'm gonna leave this for a while I just clear this place a bit. Keep stirring it. You keep stirring it for a couple more minutes. Right now you can see that it's fried now. So now is the time to add. We're gonna add some chicken stock. So we're gonna add the chicken stock, and then we're also going to be adding the dried fish, Pomo, which is cow skin, and crayfish. So right now I'm gonna add the chicken stock to it. I'm not sure if I'm going to add everything. I just want to see. Okay, so I'm just going to add the entire chicken stock to this. Ta-da! So, I'm going to keep stirring for a while we add the dried fish, this is also going in, we call it ede, that's what we call it in Yoruba, ede. Wow, you gotta see what this is. You gotta see what this looks like. Woo! So I'm gonna add the pomo, which is the cow skin. I'm gonna add this as well. And then I'm gonna keep stirring it. I've not even added the chicken to it, but this egusi is rich already. Let me show you what it looks like. Can you see? Can you see? Ooh, 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 ooh. Can you see? I have fried fish, Pomo, with fish. Oh, thank you, mommy, for bringing all this lovely stuff from me all the way from Nigeria. Ooh, look at it. Look at it. Wow. So now I'm gonna add the chicken to it and then allow it to cook for a while. And then the last thing, oh, not the last thing, I'm gonna add some seasoning right now to it. And then the last thing will be the ugwu. This is so rich, so rich. I'm just gonna add a little seasoning to it because the chicken stock has a lot of seasoning already. So I'm just gonna add a little. I'm gonna add some chicken right now. Ooh. I'm not gonna put a lot of chicken because I made some jollof rice. I'm going to have to leave out some of it for my jollof rice. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see how I make jollof rice. Let me know if you'd like to see how I make jollof rice and how I prep my meals and plan my meals weekly as a grad student, because I run like a very busy schedule. So I like to cook on Fridays or Saturdays are the days that I like to cook my meals, so that, you know, I just have them packed in the fridge or the freezer, and then during the week I don't have to cook because I'm going to be busy in school. So right now this egusi that I'm making is going to last me for the next 1 week or 10 days, and I'm going to be eating the egusi with eba or poundo yam, right? Poundo yam. That's what I eat my egusi with. So I'm gonna add some seasoning to this. Like I said, just a little because of the chicken stock that I added to the egusi. So just a little. That's all I need. I'm not gonna add salt to this because the chicken stock contains salt already. And yeah, so I'm gonna leave this for a while, for like maybe 8 more minutes. I'm gonna leave it for like 8 more minutes so that the egusi can really enter, like the fish, the pomo, everything. I just want everything to be really like tasty. And then the last thing I'm gonna add to this is the ugwu. And once I add the ugwu to it, we're done. The next thing is to make poundo yam. Poundo yam. Let me show you the poundo yam that I'm gonna make. It's Ayola poundo yam. Yeah. I'm gonna make just little of this because this egusi, some of it is going down tonight. I'm gonna eat some of it tonight, That's my dinner tonight. Just a little bit. So I'm just gonna make some of this. It's called ayola. I think when I went to the African store, they had ola ola. I'm not sure they had this particular brand, but my mom brought this from Nigeria for me. So yeah, I'll keep saying thank you, mom. Pound, 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 eh. Pound, 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 eh. So I need to show you right now what the egusi looks like, how it's coming. Just hold on while I show you this. Can you see it? Can you see this egusi? Oh gaju. Oh gaju. Egusi àti iyán to make sense. Egusi, ọbẹ̀ ẹ̀gúsí àti iyán to make sense. So, yeah. Egusi. I love it. I love this palm oil that I used, this Omni palm oil. I think it came out really well. So now it's time to add the dried ugwu leaves. Yes. Now is the time. Look at that. Look at that. And then this here. Wow. 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 Who wants to visit me? Oh my God, this is lovely. And it's tasty and delicious too. I love it. I love it. I like the color. Came out really nice. So the egusi is ready. And voila. We are done. Yes, I'm gonna turn off this right away. Are you ready? Ooh, yeah, that's it. It's ready. Do you want to see how I make poundo yam as well? Let me show you. Let me show you. Okay, so I'm going to be making poundo yam. So I'm using this. I'm just going to be using a little, just a little of that. I'm going to add a bit of cold water to this just to make it into a paste. Now that is into a paste, I'm going to make sure it's smooth. Just make sure it's very smooth. As you can see, it's very smooth. So I'm going to put it now on medium heat. This is some hot water that I will need as well. So just watch me while I make the poundo yam. Okay? So now I'm just stirring it. At this point I'm using my 2 hands so I can show you. I'm just gonna keep stirring. I'm just gonna add a little bit to this. This is what it looks like, so I'm gonna add this hot water to it right now, just a little bit of it, and I'm just gonna leave this to cook. Remember to put this on medium heat, and yes, this is gonna cook for a while, and yeah, that's it. The poundo yam is ready. I'm done cooking this meal. It's the poundo yam and the egusi, and that's what I made. What's your favorite meal? Tell me in the comments and let's discuss. Happy Sunday, guys. Today's a Friday though, but I publish videos on Sunday, so it's safe to say happy Sunday and have a great week. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll just wait a little bit. Subscribe, yes. Click on it. Have you done that? Good job. I'll see you guys next week in my next video. Oh, would you like to see me eating as well? Okay, stay tuned. So we use our hands to eat food like this, okay? So tasty. Join me. Time to keep this in the freezer. So after cooking, clean everything. Make sure everywhere is clean. Bye. See you in my next video, guys.